Oh, you say something? You gonna say something? You gonna say something?
Touch move.
Mama mo, touch mo.
Ma! Touch move ka daw.
Wait, I do because
It moved.
It moved. Let's count it.
Count it?
Let's count it.
We can ask the ano.
I didn't really like it.
Ask the producer.
I'm not kidding. I
Oh,
like
see?
The sheep.
Sheep
for what? For wood. For wood? Wood. Wood! Give me wood or
sheep production.
give me wood. Give me sheep or else I'm gonna buy.
Ano kami ni sheep?
I'm gonna buy this. Sige, I'm gonna buy. And then I'm gonna steal.
I don't have sheep production.
Draw!
Wala.
Oh, two. Two of these for sheep. Two of these for sheep. Do it now. Speak now. Three of those. Two only.
I'm gonna do it with that next time.
No. Okay. Development card, please. Oh. One. One. Two.
Show the camera what you have, Jake. Let's show the camera.
Jake, don't look.
Okay, papakita na bigla.
You cannot even see that far.
Okay, and then I shall return.
Fabric.
Sheep for what? No, I have this. I have this, ha?
You see the fabric?
I just... Ang kulit.
Ay, nako. You're gonna get this on my turn. You're-
Put it to this. You have 4 points.
Bro!
Why you put it there?
Bro!
Oh,
Bakit nandyan?
Yeah, why?
ikaw. Ikaw yung main.
Sige, sa'yo to. Sa'yo. Ano kailangan mo?
Secret.
Ano nga?
Oh, wood.
I use this to my brother. Where are you, bro? That's okay. Sorry. Sorry.
What do you even... I don't even have it.
But you did me wrong first.
How? How did I do you wrong?
You did that wrong. You should
I
think
joined
about
it
your
with you.
action before doing the action itself.
Oh, go grab something.
How many luck you have?
You don't have to know.
No, I can't. What you gonna do?
I would have, no, gotten 3.
But you didn't, so.
Ano, pass?
Next, please.
Wait.
Welcome to your colors. I only have 2.
That's 6. Haha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Because you're getting all the cards from the bank. So I need
Oh,
that.
about what color are you? You keep talking, ha? You keep talking. What color are you?
Blue.
Blue? I put it right here. You
You
keep
don't
talking.
do everything away first.
Oh, you say something. You gonna say something? You gonna say something?
This
That's
one
mean
will
of you.
connect.
I'm the only one living in there.
Because you didn't trade with me earlier, so.
I did. Don't worry. I miss much.
Do you need a rock?
Sige.
Ako, mahal kanina ko pa hinihingi yung rock, ha? Sige, subukan mo.
Oh, you didn't ask again.
I did.
I'm the one who's
Oh,
trading right
Ito
now.
na eh.
Sige.
Oh, sige. You
sa
put it on my
susunod.
8.
Oo, sa susunod. Yeah, sa
Sige.
susunod.
So you have a new one?
Ah,
A new light?
Wait, I'm gonna...
Oh.
Mahal, go, please.
Roll first.
7, 7, 7,
Uy,
7.
Seven.
Who
Five.
wished upon that? Who wished upon the star?
You were so quiet though. No one is quiet.
Man, Ruth, keep looking at your card eh. Sige, if you avenge me. Avenge you. It has this. And then this one keeps growing. Oh.
Wala.
Wait,
Yeah.
putting in my 8.
Ano kailangan mo?
I don't know. Any. Sige.
Development
Papakita
card.
ko na lang sa video. Develop my card.
Two development
Two
card.
development card yan ha. Ayaw niyo magpapalit ha. Let's see.
Let me see.
Ah.
Pass.
Ay, meter. This one. Plenty of you.
What is it?
it that you want?
For what?
Plenty of year.
What is it that
Rock?
you want?
Rock? You want rock?
2 rocks.
You're plenty of things.
Plenty of beer.
Oh.
Do you want a ship instead of a brick?
No.
A wood.
No.
2 bricks.
For what? Go! What you need?
No, for using it out here. Night.
Why there, F? Oh my god. After we trade with you, you do that?
I want a rock.
For
I'm
what?
trying to trade. I can give you a wood, I can give you a sheep.
No.
Why are you looking at my cards?
You only have rockets and chips there.
That's no one's gonna give
Okay.
you a rock.
I have another plan.
Oh.
So I will